Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. So today our topic is going to be, related to will. Everybody knows, nothing is permanent in life. Sometimes, we have to, accept that death is, very common. So generally people, write the will when they are alive. Okay. So these terms, per strips and per capita arrangements, this is related to will. So how these are used and what are the differences between them? Okay, so let's see in today's video. So both are related to will. Okay, the testator, who is actually the owner of the will. Okay, the testator, who is the owner of the will, can define the will as per strips or per capita. So what is this per strips and per capita? The testator will be defining who is going to be the beneficiary, who is going to take his assets, his or her assets after his death. So those people will be called as beneficiaries. So while writing a will, the testator will be defining either one beneficiary or more than one. It might be like that. So our terms can be classified when there are more than one beneficiary. There only this term comes per steps or per capita arrangements. Okay, so what say this case, the testator has written a will and he is like declaring uh, party A, party B, party C, 3% to be his beneficiaries. So post his death, his assets will be transferred to all these party A, party B, party C based upon how the will is written. Okay, so we'll consider three beneficiaries are there. So party A, B, C are there. So then when this happens also it is important. Okay, so while explaining I'll let you know. So consider the testator has declared party A, B, C to be the beneficiary of all his assets. Once his death happens, the three parties should receive accordingly as per the will. So if the will is written as in the terms of per steps arrangements, okay, per steps is going to be like, if the beneficiary is alive, okay, at the dismissal of testator, understand it clearly, when the testator is dead and if the beneficiary is alive, the beneficiary will be receiving the asset directly. If in case beneficiary dies before testator, okay, if in case the beneficiary dies before the testator, then what will happen to his portion of the asset which is declared in the will? So how it will be handled is this beneficiary say like 40 percentage of the asset is being declared for party A. Okay, let's see this. For party B, it is declared as like 30 percentage of the asset, and party C it is declared as it is like remaining 30 percentage. Okay, so for A it is 40 percentage, for B it is 30, for C it is 30. So this is like 100 percentage of the testator's will is being declared. This is how the portion of the assets is going to be given to them if the testator does. So when this beneficiary, one of the beneficiary dies before the testator, will consider the case. Say like A is getting deceased. Okay, A dies before testator. Okay, when A dies before testator, and if A is having any children, okay, and if A is having any children, his portion of asset will be directly given to the children. Okay. So that 40% of assets will be given to the children of A. If the A is having one child, the 40 will be directly going to that one child. If A is having two child, 40 will be equally divided among the two children and it will be given to them. So like it goes. But in this arrangement, spouses are not considered. Anywhere the spouses are not considered, it's only related to the children. So it is like branch by branch. So if the beneficiary dies before the testator, how many children they are having, to them that portion of the will be going. Okay. So this concept where a beneficiary dies before the testator and the asset is being given to his children or her children, okay, that is called as first Stirpes. Okay. This same case we can consider per capita. How it works is, say A is declared as 40% of asset, B declared as 30%, C declared as 30%. Now the same case, A dies before testator. Okay. In the same case, though there might be children, living children for A, those children will not be receiving any of the asset. Okay. Instead that 40 will be added to the remaining 60%. So 40 will be divided and given equally to the other current generation beneficiaries. So 40 will be divided means it will be like equal to 20 plus 20. So this 20, one of the 20 will be going to party B. Party B will receive 20 and party C will receive 20. So this is how the per capita arrangement looks. So this is the major difference, guys. So whenever a US will is written, right, the testator, as I told before, he is the owner of the will. Beneficiary, he will be declaring to whom and all his asset should go once he is dead. So here in example, we are taking ABC, 3 people as a beneficiary. In the per Stirpes and per capita arrangement comes in the case where the beneficiary gets deceased before the testator. So in that time, how the per Stirpes and per capita arrangement helps. So in our example, we saw like, 40, 30, 30 are the shares given for ABC. So when the A dies before the testator, per Stirpes concept will be like the asset declared for the deceased person will go through the branch. Like after his or her death, it will go to the children of them. Okay, spouses are not being getting benefited by this. But whereas per capita means that deceased person asset portion also goes back to the testator and it is equally divided among the other beneficiaries, which is B and C of the current generation itself. So hope you all got some idea of, what are per Stirpes and per capita arrangements. Hope to see you all soon on our next video, guys. It's a VK signing off for now. All of you take care. Bye bye.